Hello everyone, my name is Edwin Ochoa. In this video, I show you the English consonant sounds organized by the places of articulation. It means where each sound is produced. The first group is the bilabial sounds p, b, and w. These sounds are made when both lips come together. For example, pen, bat, man, and we. Try to notice how your lips touch completely before releasing the air. The second group is the labirintal sounds f and v. Here, your upper teeth handle touch your lower lip. Listen carefully. Fan and ban. You can feel a little vibration when you say v. Next, we have the dental or interdental sounds th and th. These are the famous th sounds in English. The tip of your tongue touch the edge of your upper teeth. Examples are think for th and this for th. Then come the alveolar sounds ts, z, s, z, n, and l. For these sounds, the tongue touches or gets very close to the right just behind your upper teeth. Examples are top, dog, sun, zoo, no, and light. Try feeling how your tongue quickly taps that area for t and d. Next, we have the post-alveolar or palatal alveolar sound sh, j, ch, and j. Your tongue moves a little further back to create these sh and ch sounds. You can hear them in chew, pleasure, church, and judge. Pay attention to the airflow. It's smoother than with s or z. After that, we have the palatal sound, which is y. The middle of your tongue moves close to the hard palate, but it doesn't touch it. You can hear it in yes. It's similar to the Spanish y sound in yo, but softer. Now, let's move to the velar sound k, g, and n. These are made when the back of your tongue touch the soft part. Now, let's move to the velar sound k, g, and n. These are made when the back of your tongue touch the soft part of the roof of your mouth, called the velum. Examples are cat, go, and sing. Notice how the sound n in sing doesn't have g sound at the end. It stops at the back of your mouth. Finally, we have the glottal sound, which is it's made with just puff of air passing through your vocal cord. Examples include hot and hello. It's one of the easiest sounds. Just breathe out softly while opening your mouth. Every single consonant depends on where it's produced, from your lips to your throat. Each position of your tongue, lips, and vocal cords creates a unique sound. And that's it. Thank you for watching and listening.